Hi, Subramaniam Shankaran. Now, in AI model, there is a situation called as a catastrophic forgetting. Okay. In fact, I will say the typical husband syndrome. When my wife is going to give me the list of 10 items to go to supermarket and purchase it, okay, I will remember only the last, okay, sometimes to the last one, okay. All the remaining items, the previous 8 or 9 items is what I forget, okay. She tells me the first item, I remember that. She tells me the second one, I remember the one, I forget the first one. Okay, the third item, I remember the third one, and I forget the first and second. It is like in most of the college students. Like when they're in the first year, they remember everything for the first year. When they are on the second year, they forget what they learned in the first year. Third year, what they learned on the second year and the first year. Fourth year, what they had learned on the third year, second year, first year. I'm not generalizing the statement. At least I had been like that. Okay, so the and once I'm out of the college, did I really do my engineering? Okay, that's a big question mark. Now, the model, AI model also has the same problem. Okay, you train on the data set, okay, it remembers what is on the data set. You retrain the model, okay, or if the model is going to get trained again, okay, and if the data set is new, it forgets what has happened previously. Okay, it's going to be a new model with the new weights and the new biases, etc. So, what actually happens is like an incremental learning. So, you retain the original data and also augment the data set with additional data, and then you do the training. Then remembers the previous one and the new one. Okay. In fact, this is the way that is very productive, but there is also an other negative sides of it. Okay, in the sense like there is an the first of the risk in the Google Secure Framework is actually called as an data, okay, unauthorized data set. Now, the data set unauthorized, and you're facing a penalty or the lawsuit, and you have to do what is called the retraining on a different data set. Retraining or a different data set will create, okay, in sense like there is a situation like the data subject is going to say that my picture has been used, okay, in this model without my consent. Okay, what's happening the Tilly node with Brian Imundo's case. Okay, so in that particular case, if that one, but wherever the data subject is saying my information has been used in the model without my consent, okay, and it's proven. If it's proven, okay, you need to retrain your model on a fresh data set or without the subject's data. Okay, so it's also links to what is called right to be forgotten into the GDPR. So right to be forgotten GDPR, and then the model unlearning part of it. Okay, or it is a catastrophic forgetting. Okay, all these things are connected to each other. Okay, so if your data is going to contain unauthorized, if the model is going to contain the information about unauthorized data, you only retrain the model on the authorized data. Okay, and catastrophe forgetting is that okay, there's nothing like nobody has asked you to remove the data, but you're training the model unknowingly on the new data set. Okay, it forgets the information that is made from the previous data set. So information is on the model and the data is on the data set. Okay, the Subramaniam Shankaran. Stay subscribed and connected to this particular channel for more news on AI, data protection, and cybersecurity.